with the work at height equipment like safety harness and position lanyard and especially the shock absorber, I mean the Y lanyard, you need to get it replaced immediately. And these things, wallah, you can buy even from your pocket. Maybe these will not cost you maybe 50 or 100 real. But in case if you fall down from the tower, your whole life will be spoiled. Number one. Number two, you will not be able to walk. You will not be able to talk maybe in some case, in some scenarios. So and these things, I can bet you, I can assure you, you cannot buy these things from market, from any of the market in the world. These are the natural things which grows naturally, which which works naturally. You cannot buy your eyes, you cannot buy your hand, you cannot buy your legs. Nothing you can buy in the market, but what you can buy these equipments. Or what you can assure that whenever you are going to the site, you should thoroughly check these equipments. Wallah, these things will protect you from any unforeseen issues. So again, if anything damage, replace it immediately. If anyone from the team is not supporting you, either he's a team leader, he's a RM, he's a EHS manager, he's a project director, whoever it is, if he is not supporting to replace these things or not willing to, very important yet, all the requirements, any damaged PPs, it should be replaced immediately. Next is work at height. These are the basic just hazard and the safety measures. What are the hazard while working at the height? You can fall down from the heights, from the great heights, from the heights, and falling objects hazard is also there. Cutting hazard is there. Weather hazard is there. So whenever you are climbing to the tower, what is your prime responsibility? Number one, weather should be okay. Number two, the tower should not be rusty. Tower should be in good condition. If you have the life protection equipment, what I mean, especially fall protection equipment, what I named them as a life protection equipment. So what fall protection equipment should be there with you whenever you are climbing to the tower. Should check them thoroughly and then climb to the tower. These are the things. Do not. And secondly, I have observed that people are usually using, they used to hurry while climbing in the while climbing the tower. So don't be hurry. Just climb easily and climb down easily. So always, and one more important thing is the 3-point connection. What is 3-point connectivity? We always say that 3-point connectivity is safe. How? Two two human connectivities or two man connections and one machine connection. So this is where we are saying 3-point connection, like one hand, 1 foot, and one violin yard, or two violin yard, one hand. 2 foot mean anytime, every time. It's a minimum requirement. That your 3 points should be connected to the to the tower. 3-point connectivity is the mandatory thing for everyone while climbing to the tower, or while working at the tower, and while coming down to while climbing down to that while climbing down the tower. So these are the 3-point connectivity. Hopefully you understand these 3-point connectivity. What does it mean? Electrical work, again, this is very critical work. Whenever you are working with electrical equipments, you need to make sure that you have the insulated gloves, insulated tools while using the electrical part, while working with the electrical parts. So this is very important thing. If you do not have these equipments, you need to get it and get it approved from your EHS manager. Use them while working at the site. Next is OSP safety. For the OSP team, whenever you are working on the main highways, road, make sure your working area should be barricaded, should be you should have the warning tapes. It should be covered with the warning tape with the warning sign. So I have observed in last 1 week or 2 weeks that there are three cases where teams were working on the highways and they did not barricaded the area. So make sure this is for your safety, brother. We don't have any issue. If you don't work safely, then it's up to you. But if you want to work safely, okay. Moving to the next point, what is the team with full? This is the right approach or the right way to work at the site. Number two, rigor with FP's front picture and then the back chip. How to check the rigor fall protection equipment 5D harness? One. Number one, 5D harness, 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D, and on the back side, 5D. This is how you calculate your 5D harness. how to use this position lanyard? This is the right way to use the position lanyard.
Tanzil bhai,
One hook
slide
here.
move nahi kar rahi.
Tanzil bhai, please share the screen again. Slides are still.
Okay, great. I will share. Now is it okay? Now is it okay?
नहीं अभी खाली
No,
screen
it's
है.
not there. It's not there. Yes,
Now
yes,
is
it's
okay.
fine.
Now it's okay?
Yes, now it's fine.
Yes, it's fine now.
Okay, brother. Let me start. Okay. So these how to check the 5D harness? Number 1, 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D, and on the back side 5D. This is the right way to check the safety harness. How to check the shock absorber? How to use the shock absorber? The carabiner should be attached to the back side, and it should be in this way. And once you are climbing to the tower, you need to make sure that it should these hooks should be hanged here or should be clubbed here on the both side. And this is the position lanyard. How to use the position lanyard? This is the right way to use the position lanyard. From here, you need to bring from the back side of the neck, and you need to put it here. So this is the right way to use the position lanyard. So this is the related to safety work at height requirements. Risk assessment, as everybody knows that what is the risk assessment and how to do the risk assessment. But whenever you are entering the site, you need to make sure that the risk assessment should done properly. What is defensive driving rules? 1, do not drive more than 120. Number 2, if you are driving more than 2 hours and 30 minutes, you need to take a rest for next 30 minutes, which is very, very important thing. Okay, just as a reference, I will share one thing with you so that you can understand what is the recent issues we have observed. And then I will take some question from you. So hopefully you can see my my screen. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Here you can see, just an example I'm showing you, that this guy and this guy, both of them are climbing the tower and without any safety requirements, safety PPEs or anything. And if he fall down from the tower, then you know what will happen. Again, this guy, this is very, the most dangerous tower, is one of the most dangerous tower, where he's climbing the tower and he's not using even he has everything with him, but he's not caring about these things. Another guy, he's working on the rooftop where they are not using any safety equipment for the fall protection equipment. Now, this is just, from starting from 27th March, we have third violation where Rieger was climbing the tower and he did not use the safety harness or anything which is required for the. So these are the important things where whenever you are climbing to the tower, you need to make sure you should have the personal protective equipments and fall protective and use them properly at the site. This is another important thing. I will just ask one, couple of questions from random guys. I don't know who will be lucky guy. Abid Javed. And if you will not answer if you will not unmute your mic, it's mean that you are not hearing me, and then we will note down your name. Abid Javed.
Yes, boss.
How are you, brother? How are you, Abid?
Hello. Yes.
Abid Javed, you can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. The question is, what is PPE?
Personal protected equipment.
Good. Okay. Abdul Rahim.
Yes, sir.
Yes, brother. What is FPE?
Fall protection equipment.
Okay. And this 5D harness is FPE or no?
Sorry,
5D
sir?
safety harness is part of FP?
PPE, person protection equipment.
5D harness
Yes, sir.
is FP or PE?
PPE.
It's a FPE, fall protection equipment.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Next question is Ibrahim Alabsi. Ibrahim Alabsi.
Yes, brother.
How are you, brother? Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Alhamdulillah.
Ibrahim, just one question to you. What is our speed?
I can't hear you well. Your voice is not clear.
What is our speed? What is our speed?
Over speed in Hawaii is 120 kilometer. In Saudi Arabia, it is dependent on the road. Some road 80 kilo, some road 60 kilo, some road 140 kilo.
Very good. But Huawei, you need to do not drive more than 120. Okay.
Yeah, it is for Hawaii 120. For Saudi Arabia,
Great.
some road 140.
Well, it's okay, but we need to follow Huawei. No issue. Thank you. Next is next question to one last or second last question to Taimur Tahir. Taimur Tahir.
Yes, sir.
Brother, what are 5 EHS red lines?
5 EHS red line is
उर्दू में बता दें, उर्दू में बता उर्दू में बता दे उर्दू में
5 EHS red line is
yes
1 minute. हेलो
हाँ जी बताएं यार, आप इतना वेट तो नहीं कर सकते हम, आपको पता होना चाहिए, फिंगर टिप्स भी होनी चाहिए आपके। तो 5 रेड लाइन क्या है?
सर PP hours meeting and for TIC alarm यानी OBD alarm.
OBD.
Yes, OBD I also told.
अब ठीक है, याद करो इनको, याद करो सही से, ठीक है क्या होते हैं। जस्ट अ लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल टेक खालिद अल ज़रानी। खालिद अल-बहा MC, खालिद अल ज़रानी। नो फखर brother, if he's not there, then you have to answer. He's from your MC, right?
No,
Khalid Al Zarani from Al-Baha.
I'm from Jof.
From Jof. He's from Jof?
I am from Jof. He's not from Jof.
Okay, no. I'm just talking to another Fakhar from
Okay.
ST City exam. Fakhar,
Yes, Mr. Tajil.
he's from your team, right?
Khalid Zarani. Okay.
Yes.
We have Khalid Zarani from Baha. Yes.
I think he is
Yes.
trying to unmute his mic. He's facing some issue.
Okay, no issue. If he is facing issue, then I will go with another one. Arfasad. Arfasad. Arfa. Arfasad. ठीक है जमील।
Okay. Fizan sir?
Okay, just last question. I will
Yes.
just take Arfasad.
Mr. Arfa is
Yes,
with us.
yes.
Yes, Arfa. How are you, brother?
Alhamdulillah, tamam.
Arfa, what are the 5 EHS red lines? Just to tell us
5
to everyone.
Yes, this first of thing, this Huawei passport,
Great,
which is passport, and
Okay.
third-party certificates,
great,
and sure PPEs for this team, and
Right.
OBD, and working without OWS.
Great. Yes, right. Exactly. So, good. Thank you so much for your time. And that's it from my side. Again, those who have not attended the training, if supervisor, team leader has attended the training, please convey my message to everyone. Please work safely. We have increased the QCs, number of QCs. Before there was only 4 or 5 QCs in each region. Now in each region we have 2-3 QCs. So it's mean that the audit will be more and their surveillance will be more. They will be more in the field. So they can. That's why in last 2 weeks we have more number of free climbing. Why? Because we have increased the auditors, and with the time being, with the passage of time, we are adding more QCs for the field audits. So make sure that whenever you are going to the site, you should work safely. I don't know who is this guy, and he's on site and he's working without, what is his name? Mohammad Naveed, without PPs. Look at this guy. This Mohammad Naveed is from whom team? Can anybody check? Yasir bhai,
Sir,
I think he's from your team.
Your screen is not showing, sir.
We cannot see your screen, Tanzil bhai.
The camera is open for this Mohammad Naveed. Mohammad Naveed? See, hopefully everybody can see him. He's at the site and he's without PPs.
We can't see your screen.
Because your screen is not shared.
यासिर भाई, ये नवीद आपके पास है ना? मोहम्मद नवीद. यासिर भाई. यासिर भाई.
तंजील भाई स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हैं.
Yes, we can see him. Mohammad Naveed, open his camera.
From which team is this? Anybody knows? I think from Delta. Yasir bhai? Yasir? Abid? Anyhow, I will check this guy. Anyhow, thank you so much.
Sir, excuse me,
if
sir.
anybody has any question, you can ask so that we'll.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है कि ये रमजान में हीवी सर्वे और आउटडोर पीएमआर इसके रिलेटेड सर कोई आपने नहीं बता दिया. हीवी सर्वे में तकरीबन 2 से 3 घंटे के ऊपर रिगर को काम करना पड़ता है, काफी मुश्किल हो जाता है.
In Ramadan, all the work at height activities stopped from, I think so, from 11 to 3. And you are not allowed to work during these timings. So if anybody needs the approval, they need to get the approval from me for the work at height. So you need to work for the work at height activities. You need to work either in the morning or after the iftar. So this is the requirement. Anybody else? Okay, gentlemen. Thank you so much for your time. वालेकुम सलाम.
कैसे है जी? ठीक ठाक
जी, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
भाईजान ये वो मिनाफोल साइड है, बाहर से वो बर्मील लगा हुआ है ऊपर, उसमें अंदर पेस नहीं है, कड़ा हो जाएगा या कोई जगमग नहीं है इसमें, उसमें कैसे बीमार करेगा?
बर्मीन क्या होता है?
वो मिनाफोल साइड नहीं है, उसके बाहर एक टोपी लगा हुआ है, लम साइड
को बोलते हैं.
नो इशू. आप मुझे सैफ, आप मुझे वीडियो या तस्वीर लेके भेज दीजिएगा, मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिएगा. मेरा नंबर है नहीं है, सुपरवाइजर से लेके मैं आपको गाइड कर दूंगा कैसे यूज करना. ठीक है,
चलो सही है, मैं आपको तस्वीर भेजेगा बस.
ओके, भेज देना, मसला नहीं है. ओके जेंटलमैन, थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू so much for your time. We will keep on doing such exercise on regular basis. Yes.
तंजील भाई.
Yes.
मोहम्मद नवीद, तंजील भाई सिग्नल नहीं थे, इस वजह से आवाज ही नहीं आ रही.
आप साइड पे हो बगैर पीपीस के?
नहीं साइड पे नहीं बैठा.
हाँ. ठीक है नवीद, मैं आपसे बाद में बात करता हूँ. चलें. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच जेंटलमैन. थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग द सेशन. यू कैन नाउ you may leave. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.
Walaikum assalam.